Debt forgiveness. Some NWC customers set to benefit from major government program. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, as well as to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, GCT on electricity to be reduced next year. And how will the government fund the latest Give Back initiative? We have comprehensive coverage of the JLP's annual conference. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.